Hello, my name is Tom Hodges and I would like to show you how to make your own Jeopardy games. I've been using these games successfully for many years as engaging activities for my students. So, how do we make a narrated Jeopardy game in PowerPoint? Step 1. After opening PowerPoint, click blank presentation, and then, click OK. You will see this window. Choose the slide that looks like the one indicated by the arrow, and then click OK. Step 2. 1. To type the title of your game, select the box that says, Title of this game. You cannot type there, unless you select the box. When selected, the box's border will change. 2. Type the title of your choice. Step 3. Double-click the table icon to add a table. Step 4. When the small window called Insert Table appears, change the number of columns to 2 and the number of rows to 3, and then click OK. Step 5. 1. Select the entire table in the same way that you selected the title box. Type the names of categories that you like, such as listening or culture. 2. Type the number of each question. 200 or 400. Step 6. If you want to change the position of the words in a box of the table, first, select the table in the slide. Then go to Format and choose Table. Table under Format may not appear if you did not select the table in the slide first. Step 7. Change the description of text alignment to middle centered. Step 8. Now you see all the words have moved to the middle center. Step 9. To color each box of the table, first choose the box you want to color by bringing your cursor into the box. Step 10. Find the bucket icon in the drawing toolbar in your window and click its drop-down arrow icon to choose a color. Step 11. Choose the color you like and click it. If you don't like any of the colors presented, click More Fill Colors. Step 12. 1. Select the color you like from the hexagon. The selected color is outlined by a small white hexagon and also presented in the lower right box. 2. Click OK after you choose the color you like. Step 13. Now you see the color of the selected box change into the color you have chosen. Step 14. Color all the boxes by the same method. Step 15. Now you are going to make a slide of a question. Insert a new slide by going to Insert, and then New Slide. Step 16. Choose the layout indicated here. Click OK. Step 17. Type the title of the question. Step 18. 1. Type your question and choice of answers if applicable. 2. Double-click the icon in the right box to insert a clip art picture. Step 19. In the clip gallery, choose academic or whatever category you like. Step 20. Choose a picture and click it. A small rectangular box will appear. In the small box, choose the top icon, which has a ball, an arrow, and paper, to insert the picture. Step 21. Now you see that the picture you chose has been imported to your page. Step 22. 1. Now you are going to make a slide for the answer to the question that you have just created. To do so, insert a new slide, just as you did before. 2. Choose the layout indicated here. Step 23. Select the title box area as you did before, and type the title of this step. Select the box area below the title and type the answer. Step 24. 1. Now you want to make a link between the answer slide and the main slide of the game. To do so, insert an action button, which automatically opens the action setting window that will let you create a hyperlink. Here is how you do that. 2. Go to Auto Shapes and Action Buttons, and then select the icon that looks like a house. Step 25. 1. click and hold the mouse and drag it in any direction you like to enlarge the house icon. Then automatically action settings window will pop up. 2. Under hyperlink to, select slide. Then the hyperlink to slide window will appear. Step 26. 1. Choose the slide that shows the main page of the Jeopardy game. Make sure that you select the appropriate slide by checking the small window on your right, which shows what the selected slide looks like. 2. Click OK. Step 27. Then, you will see a page like this. Step 28. 1. Now you are going to link the main slide of the game to each question slide. To do so, first, go back to the main slide of the game. 2. Then, mark the number of the box. Step 29. Go to slideshow, and then action settings. Step 30. Just as you did before, change the description under hyperlink to slide. Again, the hyperlink to slide window will appear. Step 31. 1. Choose the slide that shows the question you have just made. As usual, make sure that you select the appropriate slide by checking the small window on your right, which shows what the selected slide looks like. 2. Click OK. Step 32. After each hyperlink is properly created, you will see that what you have hyperlinked changes its color and gets underlined. Step 33. 1. Now you will link the question slide to its answer slide. To do so, first, go the question slide. 2. Select the picture that you inserted. Make sure you see small squares surrounding the picture, which means you successfully selected the object. Step 34. Just as you did before, go to slideshow, and then action settings. Step 35. Again as you did before, change the description under hyperlink to slide. Then the hyperlink to slide window will appear. Step 36. Choose the slide you want to link to, and then click OK. Step 37. Now, let's go back to the main page of the game to verify that all of the related slides are properly linked. Step 38. To check to see if all hyperlinks are appropriately linked, you need to see each slide in slideshow, so go to slideshow and select view show. Step 39. 1. The first slide automatically expands to occupy the whole screen. Click the part you hyperlinked, 200. The screen should change to the slide with a bigger, 2. Click the big A to reach the slide with the house, and so on. If each click on a hyperlink takes you to where you want to go, your linking has been successful. 3. Click the ESC key on your keyboard when you want to get out of slideshow. Step 40. 1. Now you are going to insert narration. To do so, let's go to your question slide. 2. Decide what you are going to record. You may simply read the question, just like on the Jeopardy show on TV. 3. Make sure your microphone is set up. Step 41. After you decide what you are going to record for this page and check to make sure your microphone is ready, go to slideshow and choose record narration. Step 42. When you see this window, click change quality. Step 43. Change attributes and select the appropriate quality of the sound. 11,025 Hz, 16-bit, mono 22 kb per second is recommended. Step 44. To start your recording, click current slide. As soon as the slide opens up, you need to start speaking, because the recording begins then. Step 45. After you finish recording, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard. Step 46. When you see this window, click No. Step 47. When you go back to the original slide, you will see the speaker icon, which means a sound file is attached. Step 48. Now go back to your answer slide and create the sound recording for it. If you forget how to record your narration, go back to step 41. Step 49. To prevent advancement from one slide to another except for the links you have created, you need to go to slideshow and then slide transition. Step 50. Make sure that neither of the boxes next to on mouse click and automatically after is checked. Click apply to all. Step 51. You have now successfully completed making a question. Please go to the main slide of the game to make more questions, answers, links, and narrations. Here is an example of a Jeopardy game for Japanese. This is a question slide with sound
食べる
attached.
と同じカテゴリーの動詞はどれですか？ 1. 待つ 2. する 3. 負ける
This is the answer
答え
slide
は
with sound
3.
attached.
負け
I
る
hope you
で
have
す。
enjoyed the presentation and have lots of fun making your own Jeopardy games to engage your students. Thank you for watching.